Hello everyone, welcome back to our mobile app development series part 2. In our previous session, we built a custom tip calculator app as part of our mobile app development. Today we will switch things up and explore another exciting area, Android Extended Reality or XR development. On today's content, we are going to cover 5 items. Number 1, what is extended reality and why it matters? Number 2, designing of extended reality applications and exploring the development tools. Number 3, top XR application use cases in our society. Number 4, XR application future market potential. And then finally, a conclusion. So what is extended reality and why it matters? The XR is an umbrella term that includes 3 big topics: augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality. Let's look into each one of them briefly. The augmented reality or AR overlays digital elements on the real world. If you ever played the game Pokemon Go, it's a great example of AR in action. The virtual reality or VR immerses users completely in a digital environment. For example, MetaQuest, a great example of VR headset, offer this kind of experience. The mixed reality or MR blends the real and virtual worlds with real-time interaction. Good example is Microsoft HoloLens, which demonstrates this technology. Why do these applications matter? The XR apps matter because they are essential for creating immersive, interactive experience that enhance learning, trainings, and productivity across industries. They blend digital and physical worlds to make tasks more intuitive, engaging, and effective. They are used to extend reality, not just simulate it, making them powerful tools for both consumers and enterprises to use. Now, in designing XR applications, the application should feel natural. It should give intuitive and comfortable experience to the users. It should be encouraging exploration and interaction. It should help users focus and to stay productive. It should support learning, creativity, and connection. We shouldn't forget that it should also promote mental and physical well-being. When it comes to designing XR applications and the tools, these are some of the most common platforms for building XR experiences. Number 1 is Unity, the powerful 3D engine with XR plugins. Number 2 is OpenXR, an open standard for cross-platform XR development. And number 3 is WebXR, which enables building XR experiences directly for the web. The selection of the right platform depends on factors such as the target device, whether it's mobile, headset, or browser, application complexity, and performance requirements. Top XR application use cases. First and foremost, it's used in training and education. It simulates real-world scenarios for safe and fast learning. It's used in aviation, medicine, manufacturing, and emergency response. For example, Delta Airlines trains technicians in virtual reality, and it improves throughput by up to 5,000%. That's an impressive figure. The second use is in design and prototyping. Architects, engineers, and designers visualize and test products in 3D. It reduces errors and speeds up development cycles. Number three, remote collaboration. A lot of teams which are spread out around the world use these applications to meet in shared virtual spaces. It allows them to improve communication and presence. It's especially valuable for global and hybrid workforces. It's also used in entertainment and gaming. It creates deeply immersive worlds and interactive experiences, powers platforms like Apple Vision Pro and Meta Quest. The XR application market has a huge potential. The market size is projected to reach $1.4 trillion by 2030. There is growing integration with AI, Internet of Things, and digital twins. The rising demand for personalized and immersive experiences continue to drive the current innovation. XR remains one of the most transformative technology trends of this decade. In summary, extended reality is transforming how we learn, work, and connect. From immersive training to virtual collaboration, XR is reshaping everyday life. Android XR development is accessible and powerful thanks to tools like Unity, OpenXR, and WebXR, empowering developers to create intuitive and inclusive applications. The future of XR is now, with projected $1.4 trillion market and growing demand. There has never been a better time to start building immersive experiences. We would like you to stay tuned to our next video where we will demonstrate our XR app in action and briefly explore the code behind it. Keep watching and see you in the next session.